Hi everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM slide AST-P3. So as you can see, this is the front view of the box. You can see the Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM slide AST-P3. The code for it is 3150. You can see the manufacturing, the expiry and the lot number here. You can see it is a 24 pack made in Japan. You can see all these IVDC certifications. The temperature is between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see here, this is the front view of it. So let me show you the top view of it. So you can find the manufacturing address here, Fujifilm, Tokyo, Japan. It's a barcode over here. It's a very small 24 pack size. You can look at here. So guys, to sum it up, this is the Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM slide AST-P3. The code for it is 3150. You can see the expiry and the lot number here. It's a 24 pack size made in Japan. You can find the IVD and the C certification here. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So thank you.